Hey guys, what's up? It's Shamil here, and today we are talking about the frog video. If you are been on social media in the past few days, you have probably heard about it. It's a video of a woman and a frog, and it's not for the faint of heart. I'm not going to go into too much detail about what happens in the video, but I will say that it's a pretty explicit. If you're interested in seeing it, I recommend you do a Google search. But before you do, I want to warn you that it's a disgusting video. It's not something that you're going to forget anytime soon. The question is, why is the frog video so popular? Well, for something, it's a taboo. It is something that most people would never think of doing, and that makes it fascinating to some people. For other thing, it's shocking. It's not something that you see every day, and it's sure to get a reaction out of people. And finally, it's plain weird. There's no logical explanation for why some would make a video like this, and that make it even more intriguing to some people. So question is, what do you people think about the frog video? Well, people opinions on the frog videos are mixed. Some people find it to be funny, while others find it to be disgusting. Still others find it to be both funny and disgusting at the same time. There are also some people who are concerned about the ethics of the video. They have argued that it's a exploitative or it could be a harmful to the frog. So what is the conclusion? So there you have it. That's everything you need to know about the frog video. Whether you think it's funny, disgusting, or both, there's no denying that it's a viral phenomenon. Thank you for watching. If you're enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Bye bye.